Hey guys! Our mission at the Shuffle Circle is not only to provide you with versatile, fun, simple, one-on-one lessons, but also to provide you with a collective space outside of Instagram and Facebook for shufflers to interact and unite.
This space features 50+ mini tutorials, links to private one-on-one lessons with some of your favorite shufflers, breakdowns of simple shuffle concepts and beginner to complex choreographies, and even recaps of events and festivals within the electronic music community, specifically including anecdotes from some of your favorite shufflers, and so much more.
Here at the Shuffle Circle, we are incredibly fueled by the amount of growth we've seen in shuffling, and we hope to potentially bring this out of the underground, standardizing it just as hip hop and ballet have been done in the past, and potentially seeing this grow into professional careers someday.
Over 100 students later, we feel that we're at our most adaptable yet. Not only do we offer what we've created is a level 1 through 4 course that steadily increases in depth, difficulty, and length, but we're proud to say that we've created many custom courses and choreographies over our time teaching to help our students nail in whatever it is they're looking to learn.
Become a member of the Shuffle Circle today and you'll receive email notifications every time new content is dropped, like our mini step-by-step video tutorials,
which are free for 24 hours every time. As always, we appreciate your guys' support. Brigitte and I are always sending love, and we're looking forward to always seeing your progress with the Shuffle Circle. Don't forget to tag us in your videos, at the Shuffle Circle, hashtag the Shuffle Circle. We enjoy those probably more than you guys do.
We love watching y'all dancing and trying out all of our combos, choreos, tutorials. So keep on tagging us. We're super proud of y'all. We love watching y'all grow.